This little drone is so easy to fly, especially with the goggles. You can get it going slowly or fast. You can get it going low down, trying to scoot under the table. Scoot along the top of the settee. Over the door, I think. No, I missed the door. It recovers well from hitting the ceiling or objects. It really is good. You can fly close to things and it doesn't hurt them if you hit it. It's very, very easy to fly. Just going to skim along the top of this chair. Over the door. Just caught the ceiling, but never mind. And then over towards me, you can see me there with my goggles on. They're marvellous there. This is the view that I have, of course, the view that you're looking at now, into the conservatory. Go around, you can go as fast or slowly as you wish. I've not really mastered fast yet. And back. And then probably coming in to land, the battery's going down. I don't know, 3.2 volts, it isn't bad. Skimming across the back of my neck. Whee! And here we go, around again, and then I'll probably come in to land then, I think. The battery's down at 3.1. There we go. Heading into land, and down we go. Marvellous.